Hi, it's Petra again. It's day 3 of Cycling Ambassador to Slovenia and we're in Loga Valley. And today we met Dan. He is the local mountain bike guide here and he's amazing. He is full of stories and that's good for me because I can use them on Rucksack Radio and you can listen to them on the radio. So Dean, our guide, showed us a water spring where water comes really out of the earth and the stones around are red because it's so full of iron. Loga Valley is so beautiful, I can really recommend it to everybody, but I have to warn you, don't be afraid of dragons, they're all over the place.